Oh yeah. Oh no. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time till touchdown brings me back again to find.
Sweet.
Good morning guys, another beautiful day in Siargao, the Philippines, one of my favorite spots on planet Earth. Got up this morning to a beautiful, beautiful sky, and right now we are headed to grab breakfast at Siargao, one of my favorite coffee shops and fruit bowl shops. But I noticed they used to be back there, but they relocated to somewhere over here. Ooh. Oh my, I'm seeing a pretty bike standing over here. Wow. So that's one of the goals for today, to get George and I two of these bikes, so we have a sweet ride for our time here in Siargao. Yeah.
I can't wait for the fruit bowls.
Nelly, how are you feeling today?
Oh, so good. We had a very nice sleep in.
Yeah.
We're going to take it a little bit easier this week because we have moved a lot, traveled a lot, so it's very nice to be in one place.
What better than a place like this to do so? Oh guys, look at this. This is so beautiful. Oh, they upgraded to a Lamazoko machine.
New coffee machine.
Yeah, new coffee machine. Hello, morning.
Hello, we don't have coffee base at the moment.
No coffee.
Yeah, maybe in an hour.
What's the problem?
No, we coffee base, the machine.
Oh, the coffee, okay. I thought I had to fix the coffee machine again.
No, it's already, it's a new one again.
Okay. Good. Sorry, George. I did offer to give you a kettle yesterday.
Very
oh my,
true.
I don't need a
Very
kettle.
true.
I'm such a badass. How are you doing today?
Good.
You
Hungry. You need a coffee.
dangerously under-caffeinated.
Very dangerously.
Like George, I had 2 big cups of coffee this morning. You guys should have just texted me. I would have made you one, could have come pick it up.
Nearly did, and then it was like, okay, we're leaving now. I can wait.
It's alright, we can wait. It's fine.
I'm sorry, sorry I failed you, George.
It's okay.
I'm sorry. Last time we were here in Siargao, I'd come to Siargao every morning to get my morning coffee and espresso. And back then they had this tiny little machine that kept breaking down. And luckily, I'm very good at, I mean, most of you know that we had our own coffee shop, and I'm an engineer. So when I see a problem, I pretty much know how to fix it. I pretty much know what the problem is. So they were always happy to have me to help them with the machine. Now they have a nice brand new, well, not brand new, but a nice Lamazoko espresso maker. So I think things have changed here a little
Lovely coffee machine, just no beans.
bit. Yeah, the lack of beans is just a little bit, makes the coffee very weak.
You get me so high, so high. You give me that good vibe, alright. You got that good vibe. You give me that good vibe all night. You get me so high, so high. You give me that good vibe, alright. You got that good vibe.
You always love to tease
He
people.
didn't believe me.
He was just like, oh, did it fall? Oh, alright.
There was like half a second. Then I thought, it's my...
And it's also, it happened so many times, it falling.
And it was so neat, it was like...
The screen was just like perfectly up.
So you can see my hand's a little bit shaky already. Coffee has come out. Very nice. Very nice. It's not Arabica. It's not Toby's estate, but it's good.
At this
And you
point,
got-
I don't care.
And you got the ocean out there. You got a delicious coffee. It's not too hot. It's perfectly brewed.
Wonderful.
On a La Marzocco coffee machine. I swear you can taste it.
Oh, this the setting looks so nice.
More applauding.
And I think it's gonna be a long, long time till touchdown brings me back again to find I'm not the man they think I am at home. Oh no, I'm a rocket man, a rocket man. So we just picked up a bike at Loose Keys. It is a huge bike, that's what she said. And we have to test if Nelly can get on it on the back seat. So
And Nelly is very tiny, so I don't know if I can
and
jump onto it.
if you look, it takes a lot of effort for Mike to get on it. I have to like really, whoa, and my feet barely touch the floor. So I have to lean over, I think. Yes, that's how we do
Yes.
it. Yeah, that looks good.
Wow, this is so high up.
But it's so comfortable. Look how bouncy it is. You don't feel anything on the road. And we have the intro scene. So guys, a very frustrating and upsetting thing just happened. I was just about to finish the vlog from yesterday, my birthday vlog of all vlogs. I dragged and dropped all the footage of the SD card onto my hard drive, and somehow I was trying to press Command Z to undo the last thing I did in Premiere Pro, and my Mac did that noise when you do drag and drop, and all of a sudden my whole timeline on Premiere Pro just turned red, which means that the files are missing. So I thought, oh, that's odd, why are my files offline? And I go into the folder and my Mac literally undid the drag and drop from the SD cards. The SD cards are no longer in my computer. I formatted them to start filming this vlog. So essentially all the footage of yesterday is gone.
And it's a shame that it happened for his birthday because it was a very special day and we
Yeah.
had a lot of fun and we captured all the fun in the vlog. We are in Mike's favorite place.
Yeah, the whole trip
Yeah.
to Siargao is like, it was such amazing footage. It was a lot of fun and it's all gone. And I'm just really frustrated and upset right now because it's something I wanted to share with you guys and I wanted to have it as a memory, and now it's just gone just because of a stupid function on a Mac. I don't know why there's no fail-safe or anything.
Yeah. But the good news is we saved the story highlights on our Instagrams, so you can get a little sneak peek of what happened yesterday by clicking onto the links that are down in the description below. George and Lucy did a vlog on yesterday as well, which should be fun to watch.
I feel bad for you guys. I hate stuff like this. It sucks.
Yeah.
Apple sucks.
Yeah, Mike is not the biggest fan of the MacBook lately. Not at all. Yeah.
Anyway, the show must go on. We'll just have to talk about yesterday. And also, I started editing this vlog at 7 o'clock in the morning. It's now 3:30, so I'm sure I put like 6 hours of work or 5 hours of work into this vlog, and it just was all for nothing. All right. Anyway, I'm gonna not finish this vlog. I guess I just close Premiere Pro now. Just press delete. I don't know. All right. Check in with you guys later.
Awake all night. I need you awake all night. I need you awake.
So guys, this bike here is an absolute monster. Absolute beast. Love it. Snappy brakes, good acceleration. It's got a small engine, but it's just huge. The bike is just tall, very comfortable, very bouncy. I like it.
all night. Awake all night. Awake all night. I need you. Awake all night. I need you. I need you. I need you. I need you.
Ready for some amazing grilled Filipino food.
Oh yes, I'm starving. And it's my favorite food, it's seafood.
Mama's Grill.
Mama's Grill.
Oh, you! Oh, get off my bicycle!
I can only just touch the ground. A beast, isn't it?
It is.
Wow.
Oh, but it suits you well with the guest T-shirt. That's like
course.
that's like a picture just waiting to happen.
Oh shit.
I'm telling you one thing. She rides like a dream. Bounce
Really?
on it.
Well, stands
Oh,
up.
you gotta do that.
Crunch. Oh wow.
That's so comfortable.
Oh yeah.
It feels like you're sitting on a cloud.
Oh, it does. Huge chunky tires.
Yeah.
Wow. I'll keep pulling that for the break.
Proper way to get on this bike and I hope I don't knock it over now. Because this is like a stand, so you instead of scooching up all the way, I think you just kind of like mount it.
That's better.
Thank you.
Letting everybody wait.
Sorry.
She's worth the wait.
Let's go. You guys want to go to famous Mama's Grill or do you want to try this new place here?
I'm not fussed as long as there's a lot of food. I think I say this every night. As long as there's a ton of food, I'm happy.
It looked like there was no tables at Mama's Grill when we passed it earlier.
Yeah.
Meaning it's good, or meaning
but
you want to go here.
Mama's-
Meaning it was Haynes to eat.
Well, meaning my video went viral and all the people are going to Mama's Grill now. In all
That's
fairness,
what it
it
is.
was very busy when we first saw it. This place just seems new.
You can go here if you want.
I'm really easy going. Whatever you
Don't want to go
prefer.
there and we're disappointed because it's not.
You know Mama's Grill's good, right?
Mama's Grill is amazing.
All right, let's do that.
Let's go.
Crack by over there.
You pick your food, pay for it.
Yep.
You get a number, they grill it, and they bring it to the table. Hello.
You're back.
I'm back. You remember me?
Yeah.
Did a lot of people come because they saw the video?
Yes.
Yes? Oh, awesome. I love it. Very cool. So nice. We just met Josh from Grum's Nation. I don't know if you guys remember the video that we filmed with the kids from Grum's Nation last time we were here in Siargao. But we had an amazing time and it's nice to see how the whole organization is growing so fast. Josh was just showing us a few videos and pictures of the past few events and we're going to drag George and Lucy out to the kids on Saturday.
Gladly drag.
George and Lucy are going to be so psyched to do a beach cleanup.
Oh yeah. I'm ready.
No, it's really a lot of fun. And
Yeah.
it's so rewarding to see how happy the kids are and what a positive impact the organization is having on this island. So it's really cool.
So be prepared to have a smile on your face for the whole day. It's going to be amazing.
Great. Can't wait.
Chicken, pork. Absolutely amazing. Got some rice on the way. Delicious.
I've been wanting to come back to Mama's Grill for ages. Like I've been talking about Mama's Grill since the first time I said let's go to Siargao because I really like this grilled food. It's so awesome. The atmosphere is really nice. Here comes our rice.
Oh,
That rhymes with nice.
nice rice.
How's the chicken?
Amazing.
Nice and
Oh,
juicy?
yeah, juicy.
Flavorful?
Good flavour. The sauce
Spicy.
is good. Delicious. Thank you.
Excellent.
Usually they have calamansi on the table like
You like it?
I love it. It's amazing.
On a scale from 1 to 10?
11.
11.
Spicy.
Oh yeah. Get a kick with some of that sauce. Delicious. So juicy.
Often with grills, I feel like
Oh.
it goes a bit dry, but it's so moist still.
Yeah. It's so juicy, it should be on the juicy block.
It should be. How do they make it? Oh, gotta be careful. I'm wearing a white t-shirt.
Oh yeah. We're gonna dig into this food. We're all super duper hungry.
Bye, doggy. Bye, Goldie. Bye-bye.
Oh, you're a good doggy. Yes, because you're a golden retriever and you like friends. Yes, you like friends.
Oh, you like gimbals.
I know.
Oh, doggy. All right.
Food was delicious, as always. Hopefully, I won't delete this vlog again today, and hopefully you get to enjoy it. Versus the other vlog that I bought like 16 hours working and I just poof, disappeared in air. But guys, if you did enjoy this video and if I didn't delete it, then please give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. And subscribe if you're new. Come to Mama Grill if you're in Siargao. Subscribe to George and Lucy as well.
Yeah. These two.
Those two.
Those two.
Follow us all on Instagram.
Why should they follow on Instagram?
Well, why not? Why not? Because of all the things.
Yeah.
Because of all the things George can elaborate. Why
Yes.
should they follow us on Instagram?
Oh, well, purely for the photo you uploaded today, hanging upside down off a branch at a waterfall.
Sweet.
My question is, why are you not already following them?
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
All of us. All of us. So,
Especially me, because I have the least amount of followers. I'm the least popular of the group.
yeah. So let's help George.
George needs help.
I do, I really do.
All right.
Also, he needs Instagram followers. But on Instagram, you can give us live recommendations to the locations we're at when we're actually there.
Yes.
Instagram, you can interact with us. You can say, hey Mike, try that, do that, go there. Let's end the vlog. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Remember to stay awesome, be positive, and make it happen.
Oh, can you say make it happen? Maybe. Can you say make it happen?
Happen it, happen it, make.
Make it happen!
Make the dream happen! Oh.
That was really bad.
Make it happen!
You're doing the same note. You have to pick a different
But you
note.
started quite high, so I couldn't go higher.
Okay,
I quit.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.